Yes, baby, what is it? What are you doing, silly goose? What in the world are you doing? You're twirling round and round. You being silly goose? Are you dancing? My goodness. Duck, that's right, that's Donald Duck. See? Mm-hmm. See? What are you doing? You act like you've had a bunch of sugar or something. Oh. You gonna go kiss yourself in the mirror again? Mimi. Give that baby a kiss. Give that baby a kiss in the mirror. Now come give Mama. Oh, be careful. Come give Mama a kiss. Come give Mommy a kiss, baby. Yeah. Light. Come give Mommy a kiss. Light, come here. Light. Mm-hmm. Yep. Come here, give me a kiss. Come here, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, meanie. Oh, you're playing hard to get. Okay. I see how this is going to be. Duck, that's right. Yep, Bobby. Who is this, Macy, on the floor? Who is this on the floor? Look, who is this on the floor? No, who is this on the floor? Come here. Who is this on the floor? Who is this? Ernie. And who's that behind him? Elmo. That's right, Elmo. Is that Ernie? You love Ernie, huh? Is that your boyfriend? Ernie. That's right, Ernie. I'm going to tell Elmo you're cheating on him with Ernie. Ernie.